Hi, cold outreach agency owners. Wish you all the best for 2025 for your family and for your business. I know that 2024 has been extremely difficult year for us because of the regulatory changes. Lots of our partner agencies have lost many clients, and because of that, like churn rate has dramatically increased, and each project profitability has gone down. And today I'm going to show you brief overview of what we have done in our agency to basically answer these new challenges. So what we have done is that we have automated our cold outreach agency as a whole. And what we have created is that we have created common center-like system to maintain pulse over our own company. And basically, what we have done is that we have automated the process of calculating project profitability, and we have lowered the churn rate for us and for our partner agencies by creating a system which audits each campaign for each client one by one automatically and creates suggestions on what needs to be done to either to increase the performance of that specific campaign. So uh, what we have done, the whole example which I'm going to give you in this video series is going to be about a client, an agency which has 60 clients and is onboarding about 6 new clients per month. So to calculate what kind of reduction we have done for this kind of agency, I would say that it would be about $33,000 in terms of monthly cost reduction by automating most of the tasks. And also one-time cost reduction would be one-time onboarding cost reduction would be about $214. In next couple of videos, I'm gonna show you in details how this works. Uh, first, I really wanted to tell you, like in general, what type of processes we have automated and centralized. And basically, what we have done is that we have taken four core parts of the any outbound agency. This is finance, sales, marketing, backend operations, and client-facing operations. And then we have centralized all of this information in Airtable in order to be able to have access to heartbeat of the company. So what we have done is that we have automated invoicing, project profitability calculation, reply management, contracting, domain and email setup, task management, documentation, onboarding and audit, and even like dozens of more tasks, but those ones are not as large for the scale as this one's. And in order to understand like how we are making all the calculations about saving x amount of money, what we have done is that we have created a chart for employees. These are the employees which cold outreach agency would most probably have. Mm, uh, so basically here we have SDR, campaign manager, finance manager, data specialist, copywriter, and sales manager with their respective hourly rates and also functionality. So these ones are colored. So here are the colors of which person is responsible for what kind of tasks. And then what I have done throughout these operations is that we have basically measured operational ineffectiveness of each task, and then we have also measured financial impact. So how operational effectiveness works is that basically you take the task, you see what kind of mistakes you would most probably make if you do this task manually, and then for example like grammatical mistakes, you might forget to do this task at all, and then what kind of effects does this action have on your profitability. Like for example, if you forget onboarding message for like a couple of hours, this actually creates really bad first impression on your client, which will then convert into something else later in the pipeline of client service. And then financial impact. So like in hard earned cash, how much would you save if you have this automation or don't have. This is calculated by taking the hourly rate of the person who is responsible for the specific task, and then doing this task manually by myself in order to track the time which I have spent doing this task. And then by this calculating amount of time which is needed to do this task. And then basically like just taking this time and converting it into the money. So this is the first step of like just giving you like whole glance of what we're going to talk about in this series of videos. So we're going to talk about centralizing agency called outreach agency operations. Then having information about each project's profitability in real time all the time, and then lowering churn rate for for your clients, and yeah, and then we're going to talk about like how all of these things happen in a nutshell.